from 3D printers and is an important consideration when designing parts that fit together. In Tinkercad, we're going to draw a base with a series of holes cut out of it. Each hole is 10 mm in length and 10 mm in width. Next to each hole, we're going to draw a box. Box 1 will be 10 mm in length and width, and that's the exact same size as the hole we will be trying to slot it into. We're going to make box 2 slightly smaller, 9.8 mm in length and width. Box 3 will be 9.6 mm in length and width, and we'll repeat the pattern so we have a range of boxes from 10 mm to 9 mm in length and width. "3D printers tend to print holes smaller than they actually are, and this is down to several factors. For example, the materials are squashed down onto the layer beneath. Boxes with lengths and widths from 10 to 9.6 mm did not fit in the hole. The 9.4 mm box was a tight fit, and the 9 mm box was a loose fit. The gap you require will depend on your 3D printer and application, but generally leaving 0.3 mm on either side of the hole should give a nice fit. This balloon-powered car requires some thought about tolerances. These axle holes are 6 mm in diameter. The axles themselves are 5 mm in diameter, which will give a nice loose fit so they can easily spin. The axles need a tight fit with the wheel, so a diameter of 0.3 mm more than the axle should be a good fit. Remember that there are several factors that affect the gap required in the design process, so the best way to get it right is to experiment.